Tomorrow is my birthday and I'm initiating a Global Sanatana Unity Festival. This is a festival where it will be like a sacred movement to unite all Sanatanis across the world beyond caste, creed, sect and traditions. Starting this Makara Sankranti around January 13th, 14th and continuing till Ugadi, okay? Just like the Telugu New Year, right, in March. It brings every stream of Sanatana heritage devotees together, all deities, followers of every parampara and sampradaya, yogis, aghoris, seekers, artists, dancers, singers, meditators and scholars of all under one divine platform of dharmic unity. It is not just a festival, it is a global awakening of shared ancestry, culture and purpose. At the heart of this mission is SanatanaArts.com. This is the universal platform where Sanatana consultants who are dharmic guides and community leaders will help collaborate, strengthen the worldwide Sanatana ecosystem. Through this sacred initiative, we aim to inspire millions to rediscover their dharma, celebrate divine heritage, and build a new age of unity, harmony, and strength rooted in the timeless truths of Sanatana Dharma. The Global Sanatana Unity Festival marks the beginning of this new chapter, one of togetherness, purpose, and rebirth of dharmic consciousness across the world. So along with celebrating my birthday, we will introduce this Sanatana Unity Festival, which will happen every year, and we will also introduce show some parts of SanatanaArts.com, Mahashiva Labs, the Sanatana Global Village, 300 games which kids can play online, pre-teens, teens, and young adults. Astras for professionals to accomplish a lot of things in the world, like sales funnels, survey astras. You got DoorDash for yourself. You got Service Hub, the whole Fiverr for yourself. Whatever you want to do. The whole merchandise shop for yourself, grocery shop for yourself. Global ones, international ones, right? They're all astras. You can instantiate and they'll become yours. The code, the people, the administration, everything becomes yours. It's your system. And then we have yantras, for mass movements, voting systems, complaint systems, feedback systems, fundraising systems, whatever, right? So many other things are there. So all of those. So that's all. I invite you all to attend me tomorrow from 5 p.m. to 10 p.m. at IndiaHub, room number 1D. Of course, we're having some light refreshments. It's not going to be a big celebration party. It's about dharma everywhere. So we're going to keep it to low profile from the celebration perspective. Thank you very much for everyone.